Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my brush guard that I adapted to fit my Power King tractor. As you can see, it looks pretty cool with the headlights on. Alright, I'll start off my tractor and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Okay, and I'll take my tripod and I'll move a little bit closer. You can see it. And I'll tell you first about the parts that I bought for it. I bought the toolbox off Zorro.com.